Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Roblox widescreen when joining game. Are you looking for a quick fix if your Roblox goes widescreen when you're trying to join a game? Stay tuned because this one's for you. Alright, so why is my Roblox screen white? If Roblox gets stuck on the white screen, it can be due to the following reasons like corrupted components, third-party services, network issues, or temporary problem on their end. So how can you fix Roblox widescreen? First, ensure that both the web browser and the Roblox app are up to date. In your web browser, after accessing Roblox's site, click on the play icon for a game and then tick always allow roblox.com to open links of this type in the associated app and click on open Roblox. Then run the Roblox app as an administrator to see if it's gonna work. Also, you need to disable your antivirus and firewall to see what happens. So same fixes, three fixes that a dev said is update your GPU driver. So try to update your GPU driver. If that doesn't work, if you're using a client version from the web, check if the same issue occurs on the Microsoft Store version and vice versa. Or if those still don't work, try to reinstall Roblox on your PC. And then try making a new Windows user and see if the problem still persists. So those are some of the what do you call that? The fixes that you can try. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.